Jaipur, HF Jaipur. That was Max Charlton for Jindal Polo, turning that game around. He's got his forwards going up front. Venkatesh. Siddhant losing ball. Lance, excellent pass on to the Jaipur takes a good long strike and a goal, first goal. Excellent pass. Ball in play. It is Max taking the ball for Jindal Polo. It is and the Jindal Polo also. So that field goal, Jindal Polo, that first goal they got advantage and handicap is 2-1, that field goal. Siddhant getting that goal. Excellent work there by Max and Siddhant. Forging ball in play once again. Jaipur. He's got his forwards. It is Max Charlton defending for Jindal Polo. Lance, HF Jaipur and umpire's whistle. For Jindal Polo, Simran Shegil. First tap, Simran is backed up by Max, leaves it for Max Charlton. Playing in a good understanding, Max has got Lance watching over him very carefully. Lance Watson, Max making a run. So the right ball, Lance tries for a back, couldn't connect. Manolo, Max, Siddhant on a back. HF Jaipur takes a near side back. Lance, Siddhant batting for the goal. Lance Watson, excellent back. Max, Simran takes a good strike. It is Lance claiming, and we have the umpire's whistle. Umpires on field, Mr. Jason Dixon, Mr. Howard Smith. 60-yard penalty for Jindal Polo. This is Max Sarkis penalty shot to play. Max takes a long lofted shot and a goal. Goal number 3. Max Charlton कामयाब Sarkis penalty से. Goal judge की mistake, हमारी भी mistake. Goal नहीं माना गया. Goal नहीं दिया गया. That was a long shot, but fine decision taken by the umpires. No goal. We're still at 2-1. Jaipur Aravali taking that hit in. Good pass there by Lonke. HF Jaipur picks the ball. So it's marching Jaipur. Lorente going up front. Manolo is a Simran gets a better. Simran Shegil. Simran makes a quick turn. He's being watched very carefully by Lance. Max takes a good long shot onto Siddhant. Siddhant is marked there. Kanuta and there's a goal. Goal number 3. Ball in play. Pratap trying for a near side back. Lance. Jaipur. Manolo. Good pass, very well picked up there by H. Jaipur. Swiper Singh of Jaipur. He's marked there. Nice. Siddhant, Max Charlton. Max, Lance. Max getting the better. Defending for Jindal Polo. Siddhant. Lance leans out. Collects the ball. It is Lance Watson for Jaipur Aravali. Lance makes a good long turn. He's got Max marking him there all the way, and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Simran taking the hit in from the stadium and Simran Shekil. First tap, releasing a long shot there. Excellent pass. Max Charlton getting on the line. Max. H. Jaipur gets the better. Goes in for near side back. Manolo. Lorente. Manolo. For Jaipur Aravali. Manolo. Getting that second goal. Coming away. Manolo Lorente. Umpire Howard Smith rolls in the ball. Manolo. Max marking him. First to the sound is 30 seconds to go, and we have the umpire's whistle. Spotted for Jindal Polo. Max promoting the ball onto Simran Shekil. Lance. Max. Pratap. Max got more experience on hand. It is Lance battling it out, fighting for the ball. Max gets the better of him. Max Charlton. It takes ball player, goes in for a long strike, excellent pass. And we come to the end of the first chapter. Pehla chapter समाप्त. We're playing the Rafales Simota 14 goal. Jaipur Aravali taking on Jindal Polo. पीछे हो जाओ बोर्ड से पीछे हो जाओ. Manolo taking that hit in for Jaipur Aravali. They decides to release on to Jaipur. Excellent pass. Jaipur. Max is marked there by Lance. Jaipur. Max Charlton. He's very well marked by Lance Watson. Jaipur getting a good chance. It is Manolo going up front. It's man-to-man marking. We're playing the 14 goal, ladies and gentlemen. Jaipur tries for a long shot. Couldn't connect very well. Manolo, he promotes the ball. Excellent pass. Simran Shekil marking Jaipur. Jaipur stands a good chance to score. Brilliant cut shot. Simran Shekil defending for Jindal Polo, and the ball rolls out of play. That's going to be on safety. Lance takes a long shot there and a goal. Brilliant goal. Goal number 3. Lance Watson. Umpire Howard Smith throws in the ball. It is Siddhant. Lance. Siddhant Sharma on the near side. Playing an excellent game. Siddhant, he's got Lance marking him. It is Manolo back. Excellent pass on to Jaipur. Jaipur trying to collect the ball. Max Charlton. H. Jaipur. Near side back. And umpire's whistle. Strike penalty 5 की शॉट की तैयारी में Manolo takes a long shot, excellent pass, it is launched. Jayko, he's got Max going in for near side back. Manolo, back on the ball, Manolo decides to turn because Siddhant Sharma watching over it very carefully. Manolo strikes, it's deflected the horse, it is Pratap Kanota, Jayko picking the ball. Jayko, swipe of Nasim Jayko, he's got Max, he's dribbling his way, going in for a kill, Simran, and Jayko.
येलो बोल दिया ना पहले
Fourth goal, कामयाब है, बेहतरीन goal.
हाँ दी बोल दिया था येलो
And we had the umpire's whistle immediately of the throw-in. So Jaipur Aravali, Manolo Lorente. Manolo takes a long shot, excellent pass. Pratap Kanota. Pratap tries for under the neck shot, couldn't connect very well, and the ball goes out of play with the back line. Max Dalton, for Jindal Polo. Max. It will Lance watching over him very carefully. It is Max. Forwards are there waiting for a pass. Max decides to release. Deflected off. Lance Watson Pony.
Lance Watson की घोड़े को
की तैयारी में Lance Watson जयपुर अरावली के शॉट की तैयारी Lance takes a brilliant grounded shot. Simran defending for Jindal Polo. Great save that was indeed. Simran Shegil, one of the most experienced players in the country. This is Manolo Lorente for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo, Siddhant, Simran, Lance backing him up. Manolo promotes the ball onto Jaipur, excellent pass. Max Charlton, Max getting on the ball. Max for Jindal Polo, turning that game around. He's got Pratap Kanota there. Pratap, Siddhant. Now the other long shot is Jaipur tries for a back, couldn't connect. It is Max on the ball once again. Max Charlton for Jindal Polo. Max, this is a 14 goal, ladies and gentlemen. And missing the ball on the bounce. Lance Watson makes a quick turn. Lance. Manolo, beg your pardon, that's Manolo Lorente. Manolo, it's Simran getting the ball for Jindal Polo. Simran Shegil. Simran takes the ball, wasting no time, promotes it on a long lofty shot, excellent pass on to Max, trying to collect. Jaipur keeping a watch over him, that's it, Jaipur. Lance Watson. Lance takes a long strike, he's got Simran watching him very carefully, Simran Shegil. And we have the umpire's whistle.
Four?
30 yards, open goal.
13-10.
For Jaipur Aravali. Lance Watson preparing to strike. Lance Watson. Always very confident, making no mistake there. Umpire Howard Smith throws in the ball. Simran Shegil. Manolo. Lance taking the ball. Lance Watson. Max Charlton gets to the ball. Max decides to turn. Max for Jindal Polo. Manolo. Lance. Simran was there marking him. Manolo. Max. Manolo near side back. Manolo Lorente back, excellent pass on to H.R. Jaipur. Jaipur, he's got Simran Shegil marking him. H.R. Jaipur. Jaipur and Simran battling for the ball. Simran, Siddhant Sharma. Manolo defending for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo Lorente open back. Lance Watson wastes no time. He promotes the ball on Jaipur. Jaipur's got Simran. Simran gets the better. Simran Shegil turning it around for Jindal Polo. Simran at Jaipur stretching out. He's marking him. He's going in for a hook stick, and it is Venkatesh riding over. Manolo on a back. Lance trying to pick the ball. It is Max Charlton. Max for Jindal Polo. Max getting that fourth goal.
पांच बार मिस्त्री ने बोले स्टॉप इट गेम
कामयाब रहे Max Charlton. Jindal Polo का चौथा. 5-4 in the second chapter. Ball in play. Manolo. Good pass on to his forward. It is the first quarter sounded. 30 seconds to go. And umpire's whistle. अच्छी हवा चल रही है ऐसा मौसम में आनंद उठाओ. Preparing for the third chapter. Playing the Rafael Sigmore Cup 14 goal. Ladies and gentlemen, let me remind you, we'll be playing total 6 chapters. This is a high goal tournament. Jaipur Aravali, we have Governor Pratap Singh Kanota, Lance Watson, Manolo Lorente, and playing back is H.H. Malashweta from watching of Jaipur. Jindal Polo, Venkatesh Jindal, Siddhant Sharma, Simran Shegil, and Max Charlton. Umpires on field, Jason Dixon, Howard Smith. Third man here at the commentator's box, Mr. Matias Vial.
गोल कन्वर्जन इज नॉट वन ऑफ द क्राइटेरिया उसका बाकी बेसिक क्राइटेरिया
Team Jaipur Aravali will take a hit in. You can see the ball is placed there. Probably have gone out of play in the 9 seconds of the second chapter.
गाड़ी में रखा दे
भाई साहब अंदर जाना मना है. आप पीछे आ जाएं. पीछे यहीं से देखें. इधर जगह है. अभी आप आओ. विराजमान हो. आराम से बैठो. Alright, back to the game. Excellent pass at Jaipur. Jaipur is being marked there by Siddhant. Jaipur battling it out, fighting for the ball. Simran also. Max, Lance, Manolo, Jaipur. Simran. Jaipur. Swipe up notching of Jaipur. Simran watching over him very carefully, decides to take a strike towards the goal, and the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Simran taking that hit in from the Narkadem. Simran Shegil first tap, still with the ball. Simran, he's got his forward, is the man-to-man marking. He's playing with 14 goals. Rafael Sigmore Cup. Simran releasing the ball, a long lofted shot, excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant, marked there. Max getting on the ball. Max Charlton. Max decides to release further. Good pass on to his forward. It is Venkatesh is marked there. Jaipur defending for Jaipur Aravali on a back. Manolo and Max like a brilliant game here. Max Charlton. Max wasting no time, promotes it on to his forward. Excellent pass. Simran picking the ball. Simran, he's got Jaipur Aravali defending very well. Jaipur Aravali saving that goal. Jaipur. Max taking it on the near side. Max Charlton. Max watching over very carefully. Max once again makes a run for Jindal Polo. He's looking at the angle. It is Max anticipating whether to strike. He's got Jaipur marking him. Simran marked there by Manolo. Takes a good strike towards the forward. Siddhant on a back. Siddhant Sharma What a neat goal that was.
Cousin, हाँ
Forward
अच्छी तरह से
throws in the ball. Max promotes the ball. Long strike onto Siddhant. Taking the ball, it is Jacko on a back. And ball throws out of play over the. Max takes a cracking shot. And it's a goal. I could see. Ball in play and umpires whistle. Manolo. Good strike there. Excellent pass. It is Jayko. Siddhant getting that game around. Simran going up front. Siddhant takes a good strike. Max Charlton getting on the ball. Max Charlton picks the ball. He's got Lance watching over him very carefully. Experienced fellow players. It's a treat to watch them here this afternoon. Max flicks it over. Lance strikes for a hook stick, couldn't connect, and it is Max. That's a good chance to score. Max takes a long strike. Excellent pass on to Simran. Simran, he's not there. By Manolo. Jaypur Aravali defending very well. Max once again on the ball, tries for under the next shot, couldn't connect very well. It is Lance Watson. Lance takes a long strike. It is Jaypur stretching as far as he can. Jaypur on the near side. Max, Lance. Max, Lance. Siddhant. Lance Watson for Jaypur Aravali. He strikes towards the goal. It is Lance. Siddhant defending very well for Jindal Polo. Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant turns that game around. Lance watching over it very carefully. And we have the umpire's whistle. The shot लेने की तैयारी में Max Charlton. Max first time takes a long shot. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. Siddhant tries around the neck, couldn't connect very well. Jaypur. Open back. Max in the ball. Lance watching over him very carefully. Max Charlton. We got Lance watching Max onto the next shot and missing. The mark the ball rolls out of play over the back line. Right from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to thank the Rambar Palace for that background music, man. Lovely. Good inaugural match for Rafael Seymour Cup. Jaypur, it is Manolo taking that hit in Manolo, Lorente. Jaypur. Jaypur. Simran Shegil marking him. Lance Watson unable to collect Max. Max Charlton takes a forward tap. He's got Manolo watching very carefully. Manolo Lorente. Simran, Lance. Simran gets the better. Simran Shegil. Manolo. Simran. Good long shot there. Siddhant. And umpire's whistle. Manolo taking that hit in from the stadium and first tap goes in for a long shot. Releasing ball, it is Lance. First shooter sounded, 30 seconds to go. Lance, Max marking him, Max Charlton. Lance gets the better, takes a good strike. It is Jaypur. Jaypur getting on the ball. Strike that Manaf Singh of Jaypur picks the ball very well. He's got Simran there. riding helpful error, going to mark the Maharaja. He misses the ball on the bounce. Max Charlton on a near side back. Max, it's Manolo. Manolo meets the ball. Manolo right there. And we come to the end of the third chapter. 6 is to 5. 5 as the score reads. Umpire rolls in the ball. Ball in the belly. Dribbling, I see a red flag. Umpire Jason Dixon prepares to roll in the ball. Game going by the rules, proper discipline, ball in play. Jaiko. Manolo. Max, Lance, Max picking the ball for Jindal Polo. Max Charlton. Max promotes the ball, long shot, excellent pass onto his forward. It is Siddhant. He is marked away. Jaipur. Simran in for Rakil. Siddhant in the act. Jaipur lovely defending very well. Pratap Kanuta takes a good strike. Pratap. And umpire's whistle.
मनोलो तो कोई काम नहीं, मैं ठीक है सर. कहाँ कमेंट्री वाले जा रहे हो, मेरे को वहाँ भेजो.
Jaipur lovely getting the advantage. Spot it. Manolo decides to release the ball onto his forward. What do we have? That's a Jaipur, Pratap, and umpire's whistle. Keeping a close watch in this fast. Lance takes a cracking shot and he missed the mark. शानदार करारा शॉट था 60-35 से थोड़ा सा चूक गए बॉल खेल से बाहर. Simran takes that hit in from the stadium and first tap Simran Shagil. He goes in for a long shot there but couldn't connect very well. It is Pratap watching over him very carefully. Pratap, Simran, more experience in hand. Simran Shagil. Simran, Max decides to back him up. Simran making a run. Simran, Pratap watching over him. It is Lance, Manolo, and umpire's whistle. Jindal Polo getting the advantage. Max Charlton prepares to strike sharp touch penalty shot for Tayari. Max Charlton. Max takes a long shot there and getting that 7th goal for Jindal Polo. Umpire Jason rolls in the ball. It is Max Charlton, Manolo, Max takes a cracking shot towards the goal. Siddhant, Jaipur, and Jindal Polo. Siddhant Sharma चक्कर 6 चक्कर चल जाएंगे. अभी आज फिलहाल चौथे चक्कर चल रहा है. जिंदल पोलो 2 गोल से आगे. Umpire Jason Dixon rolls in the ball. It is Manolo. They've got Max watching over him very carefully. He controls the ball. It is Manolo. A very experienced ball player. Takes a good long strike. It is Max marking him. Jaipur, Siddhant on a near side back. Simran makes the ball. Simran Shagil. Simran looks up to his forward, decides to release. Excellent pass onto Max Charlton. Picks the ball very well. Gets the better of Lance Watson. Max in brilliant form here this afternoon on the near side. Lance watching over him very carefully. Hard bump. And it is Jaipur, so I thought now turns that game around, defending for Aravali. It is Manolo, Siddhant, Venkatesh strikes for a back, couldn't connect. It is Lance and umpire's whistle. Lorente HH Mara straight to Nottingham Jaipur. Manolo. First time takes a long shot there onto his forward. It is Max meets the ball. Max Charlton playing a brilliant game. It is Manolo. Again Max back on the ball. Turning it around for Jindal Polo. It is Max Siddhant going up front. Max, his team was carefully by HH Jaipur. Max decides to release onto his forward. Excellent pass. Simran getting on the line. Simran. Manolo. For Jaipur Aravali. Siddhant and Manolo battle for the ball. It is Lance supporting him. Siddhant. Simran Shegil. Simran takes a cracking shot and missing the mark. The ball. Manolo. Lorente taking that hit in from the Nagaden first tap. Siddhant watching over him very carefully. Excellent pass on to Lance and Simran battle for the ball. HH Jaipur is there. HH decides to go up front. Lance Watson takes a good long strike. It is Max Charlton watching over HH Jaipur on the near side. Max is taking the ball for Jindal Polo. Max is on the kill. It is Max Charlton. He's got Lance watching very carefully, marking him. Max Charlton. Under the net. By Jason Dixon rolling the ball. It is Manolo. HH Jaipur, HH Jaipur, Lance Watson. Jaipur takes a good long tap. Siddhant watching very carefully. Simran on the ball. Simran, Lance. It is Simran, Lance Watson. Lance gets the better. Lance Watson for Jaipur Aravali. Simran watching over very carefully. On the near side is Lance Watson. Siddhant, near side back. And HH Jaipur. Dixon rolls in the ball. Manolo, Lorente, Max watching over him very carefully. Manolo, also 6 handicapper from Argentina. Manolo takes a good tap onto HH Jaipur, Shivai Padmanabh Jaipur, meeting the ball. He's marked by Siddhant. It is HH Jaipur dribbling. He's still with the ball. Max, Jaipur, HH making a run. Siddhant tries for a knee back, couldn't connect. HH Jaipur stands a good chance to score. He's got the line of the ball. It's HH Jaipur. He's backup supported there. Pratap. It's HH Jaipur. Strikes. Manolo on a cut shot. Couldn't connect. Lance keeps it there on a back. HH Jaipur. Pratap Kanota. Uri Baba. Simran Shegil defending for Jindal Polo. Simran. Luck was not in our favor. And Jaipur, careful guys. HH Jaipur on a brilliant back. Pratap Kanota. Pratap Singh Kanota marked there. Manolo. It is Lance Watson. Oh, all the hard. 9 is to 8. Ball in play. Lance picks it on the near side. Lance Watson. No, that is Manolo. Max Charlton defending for Jindal Polo on a back. Couldn't connect very well. It is there. Pratap Kanota on a back. Siddhant. HH Jaipur. Simran Shegil hassling him. Simran. Very experienced profile. Siddhant. HH Jaipur taps it away towards the goal. And he just about missed that goal. Simran Shegil taking that hit in from the Nagaden. Simran. Max backing him up. He's got Pratap Kanota hassling him. Pratap. Simran has more experience than that. Goes in for a long shot. Excellent pass on to Siddhant. And the ball rolls out of play over the sideline. Manolo. First tap. Manolo. Releasing it. Takes a long shot. Excellent pass on to Lance. He's got Max marking him. Lance takes under the next shot. First time, and a goal. Goal number 9. For the Rafal Sirmur Cup 14 goal. Jason rolls in the ball. It is Siddhant. Siddhant. Lance on a back, excellent pass. Manolo picking the ball. It is Manolo. He's watched there by Max Charlton. He's claiming but goes unhurt. It is Manolo. He's supported back by H.H. Jaipur. Siddhant. Max, excellent pass. Lorente onto Lance Watson. Lance tries hard.
Goal.
Touch shot there. Here. Ball in play. H.H. Jaipur takes a long shot. He's got Max defending for Jindal Polo. Max. H.H. Jaipur on the near side trying to pick the ball. Max. Jaipur on a backhand. He centers that ball very neatly. And Simran defending for Jindal Polo. Simran Shegil. Simran Pratap Kanota. Simran more experience on hand. It is Max gets on the ball. Max Charlton. Max takes a long shot. Excellent pass there. H.H. Jaipur. Shawai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur takes a good pass on to once again Pratap trying on the near side. It is Lance Watson on the ball. Lance Watson for Jaipur Aravali. And the ball rolls out of play. Right under the next shot. Ball goes out of play. Taking that it in from the Nargaden. Max Charlton leaves it for Simran Shegil. Simran first time he promotes it on a long strike. It is Max and Pratap Kanota, Max, Manolo, Lorente, Manolo, Siddhant, Simran Shegil. Manolo, Lance picks it on the near side. Simran on a back. It is Lance. Stands a good chance to score. Lance Watson dribbling. And umpire's whistle. In Jaipur Aravali, Manolo Lorente. Manolo takes a long grounded shot. H.H. Jaipur picking the ball. Max Charlton. Max marking him. It is Jaipur dribbling. He's backed up to Lance Watson. Max defending for Jindal Polo. Max. H.H. Jaipur tries a hand on the near side. Max Charlton back on the ball. It is Max. Lance Watson watching carefully. Max tries for a long shot, couldn't connect very well. Lance rides him off. Lance Watson goes and flicks it on the back. H.H. Jaipur picks the ball. Shawai Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Jaipur on the kill. He's there making a good run. Tries for under the next shot, couldn't connect. Was a bouncing ball. First quarter sound with 30 seconds to go. Simran Shegil defending for Jindal Polo. Turns that game around. Jindal. Simran, Lance, Max Charlton, Pratap Kanota, Max, back on the ball, takes a good long strike, excellent pass to forwards, H.H. Jaipur, it is Manolo, and we come to the end of the 5th chapter. Yeah, also लिखे हैं 11 जिंदल पोलो के 9 कुल मिला के अभी तक 20 गोल हो गए आप मान सकते हैं जिंदल पोलो 40 yards getting that 10th goal. Max Charlton getting that 10th goal. 11 is to 10. Simran not back. Siddhant, Manolo, Lorente, Max Charlton, Max.
इन लोगों की गलत बात है, बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए था हम लोगों को, गलत बात है।
Simran picking the ball, Simran, Manolo marking him, Simran getting the better, Simran Shegil, H.H. Jaipur, Max, Manolo and umpire's whistle.
और उसमें कौन से फर्क पड़ता है? दाल ठीक है आप
Umpire
लो
wants
और
to
फिर आप
play.
इसको तो रिलीव कर देना मैं करता हूँ
Max Sharpen prepares to strike.
हाँ सर
11 to 10, 6th and final chucker. Max, good tap. Lance watching very carefully. It is Max Sharpen. Max Sharpen for Jindal Polo. Lance watching him. He's got the
नहीं,
line of the
100%
ball.
आऊंगा मैं। आप क्या
Max
बात कर रहे हो?
Sharpen.
आप
Max
100% आऊंगा।
goes in for under the very shot towards the goal. And the
मेरे
ball
को कोई
throws
काम
out
नहीं
of play.
है,
Max Sharpen king of the ball. 6th and final chucker. 11 is to 10. Big score that was indeed for a 14 goal. Ladies and gentlemen, we are playing the Rafal Singh World Cup.
फिर फाउल दे दिया
Max prepares to strike. Max Sharpen. Cracking shot that was. But let's see the white flag. He missed the goal. Mishana Sichuke. Manolo takes that it from the stadium and Manolo Loide takes a long shot, excellent pass on to H. Jaipur. Jaipur, it is Lance. Lance picks the ball. Lance Watson. Manolo going up front, playing in a good understanding. Manolo stretching out. He's picking the ball very well. Manolo Ente for Jaipur Aravali. He's got Siddharth. Manolo. Getting that 12th goal for Jaipur Aravali. Venkatesh Jindal, Siddharth Sharma, Simran Shekhil or Max Sharpen. Siddharth. Max on the near side. It is Max. Lance marking him. It is Lance Watson. Max has the ball in the forehand. Max misses the ball on the bounce. It is Simran getting in the act. Simran Shekhil. Simran. Max. And umpire's whistle.
बची थी उससे पहले बोल दिया उसने
Umpire TCT.
अच्छा इसी बात के बारे में ये कैसे बता देगा आई थॉट दिस पर्सनस डिसीजन इज फाइनल गो बैक एंड डिस्कस आई भी अपने मन से भी अनाउंस कर सकता है
Max Sharpen. Max takes a grounded shot and he misses the mark. The ball goes out of play. आज के इस मैच का छठा अंतिम चक्कर Manolo taking that it in. Manolo decides to take a long shot. Excellent pass on to H. Jaipur. So Padmanabh picks the ball very well. You've got Siddharth watching him very carefully. H. Jaipur. And long shot, but missing them. Simran taking that hit in from the stadium and Simran Shekhil is combining well with Max Sharpen. Promotes the ball on to Max. He being watched carefully by Lance. Max wastes no time. He promotes it further on. It is now Simran. Siddharth takes the ball. Siddharth. H. Jaipur. Venkatesh and the ball out of play. Manolo takes that hit in. Manolo
शॉट देखो मनोलो ये तो प्रताप आप देख सकते हो
Max bats and umpires whistle. Spot it for Jaipur Aravali. Manolo. Stat takes a long shot onto Jaipur. It is Pratap. Siddharth on the back. Simran. Manolo taking the ball. It is Manolo Lorente. Manolo. Jaipur taking the ball. So Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Siddharth. Jaipur. Near side. Back couldn't connect. It is Max Sharpen. He promotes the ball. Long shot. Siddharth Takes a long strike. It is Venkatesh Jindal HH Jaipur. Venkatesh on the near side. Getting the ball. Venkatesh working hard. Siddhant. Pratap. Kanota marking him. Simran getting on the ball. Simran Shegil. Using all his experience at polo. Lance Watson. Simran Shegil for Jindal Polo. Lance. Jaipur defending their goal. And हम 30 touch penalty shot की तैयारी में Max Charlton. Max making no mistakes, getting that 11th. Umpire prepares to roll the ball. Jason rolls in the ball. It is Max picking the ball. Max Charlton forwards going up front, takes a long cracking shot. Excellent pass. HH Jaipur defending. Jaipur misses the ball in the bounce. It is Venkatesh Jindal getting that 12th goal, the equalizer. Barabar ka score. Seconds extra time. Backhand there by Pratap. Pratap on the near side taking the ball is Pratap. He's backed up there by Manolo. Manolo on the near side. He takes it back. He centers that ball towards the goal. Lance Watson. And we have the final footer. Rafael Seymour Cup, 14 goal. Ball in play.
अरे ठोको
And the ball rolls out of play over the back line.
नहीं पर वो तो है
It's a hitting from the stadium and it is Max Charlton. Simran giving him support. He's being watched very carefully there by Manolo. Max Manolo.
चलो
Simran turns it around for Jindal Polo. Simran Shegil. Max. Lance Watson. Lance. Max. Taps the ball. You got Simran getting on the line. Simran Shegil. Simran. Takes another further long shot. It's HF Jaipur. Jaipur swipe Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur. Simran Shegil. Simran tries on the near side. Couldn't pick the ball. He's got Max backing him up. It's Max Charlton. Lance. Max. Takes on to the next shot. And misses the mark. The ball goes.
Yes.
Lorente. Manolo. First step. He's being watched very carefully there. By Siddhant. Manolo. Siddhant on a back. Siddhant. It's Pratap Kanota. Pratap. HF Jaipur. Survived at now. Saving it. Jaipur Aravali. It's Simran Shegil. HF Jaipur. He tries for a long shot. Couldn't connect very well. It is Siddhant. Manolo. Wastes no time. Takes on to the next shot. Good pass on to HF Jaipur. He's got Max Pratap. Max. Lance watching carefully. Takes a tap. It is Simran gets on the ball. Simran Shegil. Pratap marking him. Simran getting the better. With more experience on hand. Simran Shegil looking for a goal. Simran on the kill. It is Simran for Jindal Polo. Simran Shegil. Manolo defending very well for Jaipur Aravali. Lorente. Manolo turns that game around, takes a long strike. It is Manolo. Max Charlton. HF Jaipur swipe Padmanabh Singh of Jaipur takes on to the next shot. And the ball goes out of play.
बहुत बढ़िया था यार बहुत अच्छा शॉट था बहुत अच्छा
पीछे हो जाओ भैया बोर्ड से पीछे हो जाओ Max taking that hitting from the stadium, and Max is backed up by Simran. Leaves it for Simran. It's got up. Simran Kegel promotes the ball onto Max Charlton. Max Charlton, the Lance Watson watching over him very carefully. Pratap Ranota also asking him. Lance, Simran, Lance Watson, Lance, Max, Simran. Simran picking the ball. Simran Shegil. It's a do-or-die situation for both the teams. Simran, Lance Watson working hard for Jaipura Ravli. Simran on the near side. Simran, Siddhant on the near side. He promotes the ball onto Simran Shegil. Simran, Pratap. Simran, Jindal applying their pressure. It is Manolo. Defending for Jaipura Ravli. Manolo. Lance, Siddhant, game turning around, it is Manolo. Manolo. Ambulance से ले लेना जल्द ग्राउंड में आए. Umpire Howard Smith prepares to roll in the ball.
Clear the ball.
Ball in play. Lorente, Manolo, Siddhant on the near side on the forehand. Siddhant, Lance marking him. Lance Watson, Siddhant. Siddhant dribbling, missing ball. Lance Watson trying to pick it up. Pratap passes it on to Lance. Siddhant. Back on the ball, Siddhant, Lance. It is a do-or-die situation for both the teams. Pratap. HF Jaipur takes a brilliant backhand. HF Jaipur. It is Lance hitting the ball. Lance. It is Siddhant marking him. Manolo. And the clock ticking. Simran takes that again from the stadium, and Simran passing it to Max, gets on the line. Max Charlton, he's being watched carefully by Lance. Promotes the ball on a long lofted shot, excellent pass onto his forward. It is Siddhant, Simran, Jaipur, near side back. Manolo trying to collect that bouncing ball. It is Jaipur. On the back, it is HF Jaipur. Shweta Singh of Jaipur. Siddhant watching, marking him. It's HF Jaipur. Get as close. He's backed up by Lance Watson. He's got the line of the ball. It is Siddhant marking him. Siddhant Sharma, HF Jaipur. Max Charlton for Jindal Polo defending. Here's Max on the ball. Max turns that game around, takes a long shot.